Hello everybody. So this is the YouTube version of a series I was doing on TikTok before called Back in My Day Balloon Edition. I'm going to start with this book of balloon sculptures from 1983. This book is as old as some people you might know. I'm going to start off here on chapter 3 where they show the basic dog. So back in my day when I was a kid, if you asked for a dog, you got this basic dog. And then they did this. I don't think for all of the times that I ever got one of these, I don't think they drew anything else on them. I think they just gave them to you like this, and you were happy that you got anything. The way that I do it, and the way that a lot of other balloon twisters do it now, you get more than just that. I'm going to show you an example of the balloon dog that I do at most of my restaurants and birthday parties if I have a long line. So this is the balloon dog that I normally make when I am out and about. There are some occasions where I have more time to spend on making balloons, and I'll show you a few of those pictures now. So I hope you like this. If you'd like to suggest the next balloon for me to show, comment below. Make sure you hit those like and subscribe buttons, and show your friends. Later days.